We're outside the Park Allen renovation, another awesome renovation by Priority Builders. At this renovation, we converted the second floor, which only had 2 bedrooms. We converted it into a 3-bedroom, moved a laundry around, converted a bunch of different closets, did this and did that. Looks absolutely fantastic. Client's super happy. Let's go check it out. So I'm here at the Park Allen renovation. We're looking around and you're probably thinking, man, this place doesn't look that old. And you are correct, it is a fairly new house, but I gotta tell you guys why the clients wanted us to come by. So the main reason, there was only 2 bedrooms on the second floor. 2 bedrooms, and they are of a family of 4. So how are you really gonna make that work? Unfortunately, the 2 kids didn't want to share a bunk bed, and I don't blame them, especially as they get older. So we came in here and we converted the 2 bedrooms into 3. We moved a laundry, we did this, we did that. Anyway, I should stop talking. Let's go upstairs and go check it out. All right, guys, so we're on the second floor here, and this is where the renovation took place. So you can see this, we've got a couple doors in here, some secret doors. That didn't exist before. Before, this was all drywall here. And this actually backed onto the master closet, and that was actually the master ensuite closet. So really what we did was we moved laundry, which was in this bedroom here. So if you want to follow me and check this out, this is the bedroom that we added. And this is going to get really complex, so I've got to actually show you guys some before video footage. But anyway, this bedroom didn't exist before we got here. There was actually a wall that spanned right across here. This was the washer dryer, this was the laundry and everything like that. And then you had this section, which was actually part of the master ensuite walk-in closet. So we totally rearranged things. And like I said, this laundry, it went from here and it went all the way over here. We added this flush closet here, which looks super, super sleek and super clean. So again, like if I show you, the whole purpose of this was to make it look like it didn't even exist. They wanted it to look exactly like the wall. And obviously the only thing that we needed to have was the slots for the specific doors. It's all touch latch, so you can just pop it open like that. You open it up super, super easy. So we got these really heavy magnet latches on here. And now this is a way more functional spot for this washer dryer versus way off in the corner in this huge, massive walk-in closet that really they didn't really use. And we'll show you what the closet looks like now, way more functional. So yeah, now they have this stacked laundry in here. They got this awesome laundry sink, which we added, cabinet up above. Super, super functional, lots of room in there. These are solid core doors, so they actually help muffle some of the sound coming through. And you might not be able to see it, but right at the back of the unit, we added this auto washer shutoff. And what that basically does is there's a sensor at the bottom of the washing machine. As soon as it senses water from a leak, it shuts the washing machine off. It cuts the power to the washing machine, and it also shuts off the water valves. So one of the #1 situations where your house floods is because of a washing machine. So we were thinking about all that, and we added this to this system. Because can you imagine if this floods here, what's going to happen? You're going to have a waterfall going off this top floor. It's pretty high up here. And I'm pretty sure you don't want to come back after you come back from your Mexico trip and come see a waterfall. Save the waterfalls for Greece or something like that, eh? So anyway, that was the pretty cool secret doors that we did. Absolutely love them. There's a ton of work involved in that. So if you do want them, keep in mind that they're definitely not cheap to do, but they look fantastic. So anyway, going back to this bedroom, we did a lot of real custom stuff in here. And we can start from the top and work our way down. So the first thing is this light fixture up above. This was pre-existing in their massive walk-in closet. So we had to kind of re-engineer it, resituate it, and we made it work. And I don't know if you can see, but there's like 10 inches on that side, 10 inches on this side, and it just barely fit. Like a glove. But we made it work like we always make everything work. We've got this awesome bookshelf for their son. Look at how nicely this is decorated. You got the train up there. That's so sweet. I absolutely love this, and this was an add-on feature that the clients added to the renovation. They wanted to really customize it, make them theirs, and that's where we added these custom red oak shelves in there. Super sturdy. You do some pull-ups from them, whatever you want. And again, you got to see the befores because this is just kind of totally all over the place, but it looks sweet. We did things like match these exact doors that they had in the house from before. And really what we were trying to do here, because it was such a new house, was really make sure everything was cohesive and looked like it was done from the original builder, but only better. So yeah, we had to redo all the hardwood and all this hardwood here before. You got to think there was a wall going across, and there was what was called marmoleum that was in this area. So, and as well, that doorway, which our awesome cameraman is standing in, that was a wall going across. So what we had to do something called a technique called feathering in the hardwood. And it's a lot of work. We matched the hardwood. We found the exact hardwood, which took like 100 phone calls, by the way. And everything just worked out so perfectly and absolutely cohesive. It looks fantastic in here. I just love it. We match everything down to the baseboards, the trim, the floor vents, everything. Clients are super, super happy. And I think we got to go check out the walk-in closet and see what happened in there. So yeah, we're just coming through the master bedroom. And we've got the walk-in closet here. So before they had a massive, huge walk-in closet. I mean, this thing was freaking massively, way too big. And actually shrinking the closet down to like 1/3 the size, they still, for some reason, have the same amount of space to hang clothes. So I know that might not make sense, but when you see the before videos and pictures, it definitely will. They love this a lot more. They love all the extra space that they got with this renovation. And again, the whole renovation was completely possible because we went through extensive amount of design. We had our engineer out. He looked at everything, all the structural changes and all this kind of stuff. And we went through a very vigorous design phase with our in-house designer. And that is why this project was so successful, because we had the communication with clients, we executed a plan, we went to design phase, we went back and forth probably, I don't know, maybe 500 emails or something like that. And then now this renovation turned out thumbs up approved. Clients are super, super happy with it. They love it. And maybe you're starting to get the trend for priority builders. And that concludes the Park Allen renovation. Again, we converted 2 bedrooms into 3 bedrooms. So now the kids don't have to fight over who's going to be on the top bunk. And if you're sitting at home right now and maybe you got 2 bedrooms upstairs and you need 3, you can definitely give us a call. We can really do anything. And I can tell you guys, with a good engineer, an awesome designer, and an amazing renovation team, anything's possible. Stay tuned for more priority builders goodness.